Haïti TV et Radio Compas Productions présentent Vin Deal.
Avec Aubry Blague.
Amour, union, bonté, réussite, un valou sacré de notre communauté. Bienveillance, loyal, aimable, généreux, universel, extraordinaire.
Vin Deal.
Consambledo.
Dans la vie, ça pas jamais connaît qui côté ou a peut tomber. Dans la vie, ça pas jamais connaît ce monde qui remet ou monde qui raille. En nous chanter, en nous prier, en demander bien pour ça qui fait nous mal. Pauvre Bladi, si on te connaît toujours derrière, si nous fait amis confiance. Un jour, nous pas ta progrès. Voilà, mesdames, messieurs, Vin Deal sur Haïti TV, votre serviteur de toujours, Aubry Blague. Je dis à nous que content, malgré problème de la vie, nous toujours avec le sourire au visage. Alors, on a suivi Vin Deal, c'est un segment d'émission, nous connaissons. Il y a pile monde qui est fanatique, il y a pile monde qui remet comportement, il y a pile monde qui remet Jean-Nouye, ça nous présenter pour la communauté. Alors, nous sommes très fiers pour ça, parce que des bagailles, ce n'est pas acheter ou acheter, des bagailles, ce n'est pas vendre, c'est naturel, porter au banou. Nous-mêmes, dans Vin Deal, Haïti TV, Bel Talk Show, et nous commençons à habituer avec Dr Nadège, Jean Bouillet, Jean pour camper, pour adou fort bien. Anyway, je pense que nous sommes de bonnes mères et nous pourrons passer un très bon moment sur Vin Deal. Et nous disons merci à tout le monde qui nous privilège, qui quitte nous entrer dans le salon. Dans la chambre, dans la voiture, même dans le téléphone, il y a regardé nous. Ça fait nous du bien et nous remercions également le Dieu Tout-Puissant, Grand Jéhovah, nous croyons dans l'IA, mais nous pas jamais, mais nous respectons. Non pas M. Aubry Blague, nous avons suivi Vin Deal, sur Haïti TV, restez avec nous, aujourd'hui nous avons un invité, son moun nous habitué avec, nous sommes déjà sur Vin Deal. Et c'est un youth dans la communauté et par rapport avec problème corona, problème de la vie, nous-mêmes les grands et les adultes, les gens qui ont déjà âgé, et nous voyons qui problème corona apporté pour nous, mais nous avons besoin des jeunes tout qui ça corona fait et c'est l'une des raisons je dis à nous gagnons, c'est la belle, la gentillesse Yolna. Il va se m'tabiller non Y-O-L-T-A. Vous connaissez les Yolna N-A. Je vous demande pardon. N-A. C'est Y-O-L-N-A. Si nous dit en anglais, c'est Y-O-L-N-A. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Thank you very much. Nous rire ça nous dit, est pas vrai? Don't go away. We'll be right back. Hey, vous connaissez le dos, monsieur. Vin Deal. 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 Vin Deal.
La communauté a tellement cru dans la prière. Bon Dieu là, il y a une bénédiction sous lui avec clinique ça, qui est le Central Florida Adulte Médecine. Clinique bon berger pour même qui souffre de tension, cholestérol, prostate, glaucome dans les yeux, cataracte. Soin médical yo ba ou, si c'est pas bon Dieu qui dit l'heure arrivée, mourir vite, pas exister pour vous depuis ou marcher dans Central Florida Adulte Médecine. C'est un paquet médecins chevronnés ou jouer dans dedans clinique ça. Et si toutefois pas ta assurance ou pas besoin peur avec $20 seulement seulement y a consulté, douleur arthritis fait monter un masse fait, ou t'as tombé dans un accident de voiture, douleur rein genou prend, lagué corps dans Central Florida Adult Medicine, qui dans 838 Nord-Ouest, 183 Street, porte 201, téléphone 305 760 22 89, 305 760 22 89.
Vindil. Vindil. Vindil.
Vindil. Vindil.
Vindil. Vindil. Vindil. Voilà, de retour. Et devant ce beau micro, devant la caméra, nous allons recevoir guest nous. C'est Yolna. Yolna, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
You know, I wish you can speak Creole, tak ou j'aime parler Creole. Nah, I'm parler Creole, but anyway, I know you speak Chinese, huh? You told me you speak Chinese. You learn Chinese. Let me tell you something about Chinese. A Shanghai Sheikh won't come you. Iden Shiwo Nama. Wete ya. Shin toto shin toto you. Shaba ha. You know what's up, girl?
Well, first off, I'm learning Japanese.
That's right.
Not
That's
Chinese.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
It's
Okay, later we speak some Japanese.
Of
Later.
course.
Later.
But nothing much. Just passing by time with this coronavirus and everything. You know.
Well, it's my pleasure to have you again.
Likewise.
And I know you're youth, young girls. I know what Corona did to me. What about you? What Corona affected?
Well, Corona has affected me in a good way and a bad way as well. Like, for example, in a good way, I found out that I wanted to draw because I like to make my own creations and my own characters, and I think that's fun, and I've never thought that I would be so invested in trying to draw. But the bad thing about the coronavirus is that when you stay home, it's not really good for the mental state, because it's like kind of like isolating yourself from everybody else in the world, and that's not a good feeling. So
That's a good thing, right?
to isolate yourself
No,
from
I
everyone?
say it's going to affect you two ways, good and bad.
Yes.
This is the good one, you tell me now.
The good one was when I found out about me wanting to draw.
All right. And do you talk to your friends, because people in your age don't believe about wearing the mask? Do you talk to your friends there too? This corona is a serious virus?
Well, it kind of differentiates between people that I talk to. I do talk to my friends about it, but at the end of the day, most of us believe that it doesn't make any sense to waste your time and life away staying indoors and wearing masks and such. And if we're careful enough, we know what we're doing.
Okay.
You know, we are careful for everyone else that surrounds us, because we know they can get affected as well. But we understand that staying home and wearing masks won't do anything if there's no cure. There is no cure right now, so what are we supposed to do? Are we supposed to stay home until there's a cure? That's not going to help anyone at all.
Okay,
At all.
you are Republican?
No, I call myself independent. I don't
Well,
believe in those two.
No, I'm just asked that because you speak like a Republican.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that was not my intention. I speak solely for myself and others who believe in what I think.
Okay, I understand that. But you not believe in politics too?
No, not at all. Not at all. They like to spew out things that we want to hear, but they don't, they don't commute to it. They don't. So I believe that politics is a lie, and there's no reason for us to listen to their politics when there's one story and then there's another story. Like, which one are we supposed to believe in?
But if you say so, you watch them talking. If you know about that, but you say you not believe in politics, but you just told me when they talking, they say one thing here, another thing here.
I don't watch them all the time. It's because of how social media portrays them as, oh, you should listen to me because this is going to happen for you guys if you follow me, or this is going to happen to you guys or for you guys if you follow me. And it's like, which side are we supposed to take? If you're going to take action in what you say, then that will choose you. But if you're just saying words for us to listen and, you know, like what you say, then what are we supposed to do? Because it isn't fair towards us. So
between the corona, what you doing at home between this time, this like very bad time for us? When you be home, what you do? What you do at home?
I try to make up some stories so I can show it to other people. Currently, I'm going to take a class for art that is not in my college curriculum, but I'm still in college. But I'm only taking fall classes as of right now. No summer classes I'm taking, but there is one specific class that I'm taking out of my own free will.
Right now we have more than 100,000 people your age watching us. What you have to tell them about what's going on right now? What you need to tell them?
I just want to say that be careful of who you hang out with, because they might have it and they might not tell you. And just take care of yourself. I know this may seem like it's like a farce to believe in, but you got to understand that there are people that have issues within themselves that they can't hang around with you. So in order for them to be safe, you have to keep yourself safe as well. Mask or no mask. If you don't have a mask on, keep your distance. If you have a mask, talk safely, you know, get close to them safely, and everything will be fine.
You know, the government talking about they need to reopen school. What you think about that?
In all honesty, I think it's a pretty good idea, because at first I thought that taking online classes would be so much fun because, you know, you're at home and you don't have to go anywhere. But at the end of the day, you're staying home. It doesn't really, you get distracted really easily when you stay home and you have classes. So to reopen schools, especially for those that have immigrated from foreign countries, they come down here just to take classes, physical classes, and them having the opportunity to even come down here for that, I think it's a great idea. But there should be specific classes like arts and nursing, those type of classes that should be more available for others, instead of students that can take classes like math and art as well can be online. But those things like drama and hands-on things, it's more important for students to be physical with.
Let me tell you something. You don't think it's good to stay home because sometimes like it's like you've never been with the family, with your brother, with your mama. You don't think sometimes it's good to stay home with them?
I think about that a lot, yeah, but you kind of get annoyed after a while.
Yeah, I know.
Because you see them every day.
I know.
And they tend to bother you.
You sleep with them, you eat with them, you talk to them all the time. That's
yeah,
right.
and
You need like more people, friends, you know, to talk to or something.
Well, as long as you know that the friends that you have will continue to communicate with you throughout this time, then that's more than enough. If they're willing to come by your house and have a fun time with you, that's also good enough.
You know something, you're so beautiful talking.
Thank you.
You know something, Yolna?
Yes.
It's always a pleasure to welcome you to Vindil, because your words is like, is very nice. So we're gonna take a break and we'll be back with you, okay?
Okay.
Don't go away. We with Olna. YOLNA. On Zamledo. Don't go away. We'll be right back.
Vindil. Vindil.
Vindil.
Vindil. Vindil.
Vindil.
Vindil.
Vindil.
Vindil. Vindil.
Communauté a tellement cru dans la prière. Bon Dieu la une bénédiction sous lui avec clinique ça, qui est le Central Florida Adulte Medicine. Clinique bon berger pour même qui souffre sucre, tension, cholestérol, prostate, glaucome dans yeux, cataracte. Soin médical yo ba ou, si c'est pas bon Dieu qui dit l'heure arrivé, mourir vite, pas exister pour vous depuis ou marcher dans Central Florida Adulte Medicine. C'est un paquet médecins chevronnés ou jouer dans dedans clinique ça. Et si toutefois pas ta assurance ou pas besoin peur, avec $20 seulement y a consulter ou douleur arthritis fait monter un masse fait ou t'as tombé dans un accident de voiture, douleur rein genou prend la corps dans Central Florida Adulte Medicine qui dans 838 Nord-Ouest 183 Street porte 201 téléphone 305 760 22 89 305 760 22 89.
Voilà, encore une fois, nous retournons, mesdames, messieurs, nous suivons Vindil sur Haïti TV, Channel 8.5 digital. Non pas, c'est Aubry et blague. J'aime toujours dire, nous-mêmes professionnels, bugisman qui suivent Shoah, seuls gens pour nous aider, nous rester et dans l'air, pour nous rester devant la caméra ou devant le micro, c'est eux-mêmes qui vont business sont capables d'aider nous, nous faire réclame pour vous, parce que nous très bons dans ça. Nous habitués et aider business qui pas qu'à prendre, business qui pas qu'à marcher et nous faire au marché. Tant que Glen bon business pour nous aider, les n'a pousser nous, elle pas qu'à pousser nous même chercher moun, nous payer, aider nous pour nous pousser pour capable marcher. Et je dis à la we have beautiful Yolna avec nous dans le studio et Vindil, dans le studio Haïti TV. C'est un jeune qui a parlé de nos expériences pendant la période Corona n'a suivi là, et surtout nous-mêmes en Floride. Et c'est nous-mêmes qui actuellement devant, n'a fait moun qui a infecté, n'a fait moun qui a pris l'hôpital. Bon, malheureusement, nous pas tant de trop de monde mourir, mais nous t'en pile de monde et peut-être infecté, mais jusqu'à présent, docteurs, nurses, et nous complimenter et nous féliciter pour le travail fait pendant l'époque Corona, parce que si nous pas de gain, que dois-je faire, hein? Ça nous t'a fait pour nous survivre par rapport, j'ai entendu mon mourir à travers le monde. Heureusement, nous-mêmes en Amérique, malgré nous avons pile de monde malade, mais nous avons 2000 nous sommes capables. Well, il y a between play movie, stay warm, and after that, what you like to do? After all that, what you like to do?
After me pursuing my career in acting,
Yes.
I guess continue on, but still live a life where I can have a family, have a stable job in my career, and take care of my financial needs.
You think to have a family one day?
I do, but at the moment, I'm not ready for it. So in the future, I think I will.
Well, get married, and like how many like kids? 3, 4, 5?
I would like to have a big family. So,
Wow.
yeah.
How many sisters and brothers do you have?
I have one sister and 2 brothers.
Who's the older? You the older?
No, my oldest is my brother that is 28.
Oh, not him.
No.
Nobody see who's him I'm talking about, but anyway. So, tell me something nice. I want to hear something nice from you.
Something nice.
Yeah, you're tripping. What jouer avec, hein? I like when you smile. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
And I don't know what to tell you. I'm just like to hear you talking.
Would you like to hear me speak Japanese?
Go ahead. Say
Alright.
some. Say some.
はじめまして。私の名前はヨルナです。よろしく。
What that mean?
That means nice to meet you. My name is Yolna.
You're
I
not
hope we get along.
Call him, you're not. Correct. And ou pas demandé tout à l'heure. You don't ask me when I was speaking Chinese. You don't ask me what I said.
I was going to ask you that. What did you say?
Well, I say I'm glad to see you, and you're so beautiful, and you look like $1 million. You know.
I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome, Mona. And well, I thought, and you like to read books?
I do like to read books,
Yeah.
but not physical books. You know, stories that people make up, drawings of comics, those type of stories, those type of books.
And we have to move on. And I wish you all the best. And keep your mask on. We don't have no mask now because we're taping the show. But keep your mask and then watch your hand. And keep a distance with your friend and your people you don't know. And stay safe and stay in life for next time.
Thank you. You too. You too.
You wish me the same.
Of course.
Yes. You know, it's very nice when young people like you wish a man like me good things. Because God did it from you. You know, God always listen to the kids. But us, nous fait tout mode péché. Vous comprenez ça veut dire? Même la chinois. Oui, nous avons tout mon choix.
You eat too much shrimp?
Yeah, you will comprendre chinois. You understand China, you understand?
I know. Shit.
Anyway, Madame Messi, it's always a pleasure to have Ulna. Ulna is glad to welcome you again. And then the last word, if you want to say anything, and then.
Okay.
Do you wash your clothes?
Yes.
You wash your clothes?
Yeah.
You go to the laundry?
I have my own laundry at home.
Oh, okay. I'm just kidding. Try to be bad than you, but you know, because I just like you. You're nice and smart.
Thank you.
What do I want a last word?
My last words are exercise, eat healthy, be safe. Don't go around anybody that's coughing or sneezing too much because they probably have something. And stay home and find out what you want to do.
That's right.
That's it.
On met Corey. Bye bye, Shay. Don't go away. We'll be right back.
Vindil. Vindil.
Vindil.
Vindil. Vindil.
Vindil.
Vindil.
Vindil.
Vindil. Vindil.
Zami ak fami myo, Me Unique Furniture, mwen tap pale nou an. 141-35 Nord-Ouest 7e Avenue, nan North Miami, Florida. Téléphone 786-420-2382, 954-297-9226.
Unique Furniture, wholesale prices.
Ser, piyay nan Unique Furniture. En gros et en détail. C'est Unique Furniture qui fait valeur en dekay nou.
Mattress, painting, chandeliers, rugs, bronzes, and accessories.
Sorti dans salon, chambre à coucher, matelas, chandelier, tiana, tableau pour décoration, sofa bed.
Layaway available.
Ou ka bay kebe n'importe ti kob pour fourniture que vous besoin. Chaque fin mois, yo gen un sale dans Unique Furniture. Commencez depuis $399, arrivé jusqu'à $999. Quel que l'en soit, accessoire pour caille, pas jamblier, bon deal et bon prix, ou abjwen yo dans Unique Furniture. Téléphone 786-420-2382. Moun Miami, nous sauver avec Unique Furniture.
Vindil. Vindil.
Vindil.
Vindil. Vindil.
Vindil.
Vindil.
Vindil. Voilà, nous retournons. Il semble que jeudi c'est un youth show m'a fait. Après Olna et Kounia m'bral recevoir un autre jeune, c'est Kenny. But Kenny might be different with Olna because he's a boy. You know, girl always gon jan ou penser Et ti garçon tout gon l'autre gens yo pensé. Hey Kenny, what's up man?
What's up? How you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing okay.
It's good. That's good.
Et ou parle créole?
Petit.
Tout petit. M'apprécie ça. Et dis un bagay en créole entendez.
Okay, I don't speak Creole. I lied.
Oh, you speak man. Man, dis ou pas aimer manger? Est-ce qu'on sait manger? Manger.
Oh yes, I love food.
Hey man, tell me something about you. Tell me who you are.
About me?
Yeah. Who you are?
How you doing? I'm Kenny Camilo, right?
Yes.
Born and raised in Florida.
Okay.
You know, I got descent from Haiti and descent from Dominican Republic.
Okay.
Right? My dad's Dominican, my mom's Haitian.
Okay.
Right? So they came together, and I came, right? But the thing about me is, I think I'm special.
Yeah, like special like what?
Let me tell you how, right? So a normal boy, right? Their confidence is normal, right?
That's right. That's
my
right.
confidence
Exactly.
is like,
Before my introduction, I said that.
yes, that I'm confident, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So my confidence, I feel very good about myself.
Up and
right?
down.
No,
You
no,
wouldn't
no.
say
All the way up.
all the way up. Okay.
Yes.
You stay high.
I feel like when it comes to me, I don't really care what anybody think. As long as I'm doing what I gotta do, it's all good.
Well, man, sound nice to me.
Yes.
Sound nice to me. And can you what you do in
I do my
your free time?
free time. But I mainly just, play the, video games and all that. Sometimes I play my saxophone. And,
You a
saxophone.
musician?
Yeah, I'm in a band
What? Really? Where you learned how to play saxophone?
in my school. Yeah, they taught me. Then I try to, master in it for the future.
Yeah, but you like to do that? You like to play?
I love playing, yes.
You never tried to play with the Asian band?
I mean, I never got offered to play with the Asian band. Are they good?
Yeah, they good. So can I looking for some gig for you?
I mean, go ahead, I'll do it.
How you get to my studio?
How I get to your studio?
Yeah.
Pretty short story. My mom, Dr. Nadej Etienne,
Yes.
met you,
Yeah.
and she had some contacts,
That's right.
right? And then she brought my sister, Yona, yes. Then she came over, had an interview, and I was like, I want some of that. And then, boom, I'm here.
Wow. Man, sometimes I really like to interview you every day. I never have someone like you before.
Thank you.
Your character, the way you ask my questions, and the way you answer my questions. So I thought you're different. Exactly what you said. You're different.
Let me ask a question about you.
Yeah.
How did you get here?
Well, it's a long story. It's not like you. Yours was short.
Yeah.
Mine is too long.
I mean, because my story's still going on,
Exactly.
My story's still
So it's gonna take me sometimes, a lot of times, to tell you I get here.
coming. Then tell the short version, like the most important parts.
Well, like 30 years ago, I met this white man you see
Yes,
behind me, Mr. Claude Moncuso, and he told me he have a project to do TV in this community. And not a TV show, but a regular TV, like 24 hours TV, like CNN, Channel 10, whatever it is. And he told me it's going to need my help. I told him, hey, I'll be happy to work with you. And well, but I'm a broadcaster. I'm doing radio for my career. So after that, I don't hear from him, but I saw him. He saw me. We talk. We say hello. After like 30 years, he decide. He come back again to me. He say, hey, now is the time we have to work together. So that's why I'm here, because he decided.
Now you have ITTV.
Ouh, Kenny, I'm content, woman. I'm happy to see you. You know what happened? Chaque monde dans créole, m'a traduit pour parler anglais ou même.
Ah. If I only knew what you were saying.
Eh, You know, every time I speak some Creole to you, I'm gonna tell you what I say,
Yeah,
and then you
I'll
can
understand it.
Yeah,
yes.
you understand.
So,
Like I say, I'm glad to see you. M'content well. I'm glad to see you.
that's conta well.
M'content well.
Conta well.
M'content well. Kenny, what the corona affect you?
I mean, it didn't really affect me. I mean, except for being able to go out with my friends. But, you know, I don't mind staying home, but not for too long because, you know, I like sleeping and eating, playing games, you know.
Well, you like sport?
The only, in games, yeah, but
You.
the only
You-
sport I probably play is probably be like football.
What about basketball? But you very tall.
I mean, well,
You
I'm
can
not
be
that tall.
you can be a nice guard for Miami Heat.
See, the thing about guards are they're like 6 foot and up, like 6'5" and up. I'm only like 5'9".
But you still going up.
Yeah, I'm still growing, but like, you know, they have to be tall, like 6'7". Like,
But you know, when you go to the team, they have some exercise to make you going up. You know,
they do.
what you eat, or you know, yeah.
Oh, like
Yeah, they have something to
Where,
like to go elastic. It can be like an elastic. You know, elastic.
yes, I know what you mean. Yeah,
You
to
can-
make them
Yeah, it can be.
stretch and all that.
That's
yes,
right.
Yes.
And you have a lot of friends, Kenny?
Say it again.
Do you have a lot of friends? Do you have a lot of friends? Est-ce qu'on a
Friends?
Friends.
Friends.
Yes.
Oh, a lot of friends.
Friends,
Oh, I mean, I have like a little circle because I don't like having a lot of friends because, you know, when you have too much friends, you don't know which one could, you know, stab you in the back at any moment. So I had to keep myself with a small group of friends that I trust a lot. But you can't trust them too much because any friend could become your worst enemy in a heartbeat.
Exactly.
Bob Marley said that.
And, well, you like Bob Marley?
Yes, who don't?
Yeah. Bob Marley plays some nice song. You know? Well, and I don't know what to tell you, Kenny. Let me see. How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2
Which one?
English and Spanish.
Tolo, mi amigo, Jacobo, por favor.
Yes, perfect. I don't know what you said.
Anyway, mesdames, messieurs, that was Kenny
Hi, how you doing?
pour Haïti TV, Vindil, Channel 8.5 Digital. And that was my jokes for today.
Yes.
Kenny.
Kenny Quevedo.
Amen.
But before we leave,
Yes.
okay, you asked me all the questions.
Yeah.
I want to know something, right? Since I'm so young, right, I have a lot of potential.
Yeah.
But the thing about us young people is we're lazy. And I'm being honest, I'm lazy. Hey, I mean, it's in my blood. But the thing is, if you learn to conquer that laziness, you can rule the world.
Wow. You know, that's good for you. You speak the truth.
Nothing but the truth. Nothing but the truth.
Yeah. The guy says he's lazy. But I don't see you. You come here, you walk, you help us. You don't give me no sign
No sign of laziness.
and laziness.
See, that's the thing though. When it comes to stuff that I want to do, like, you know, like this interview, I wanted to do it. So
Yeah.
I was like, let me do all this so I can do it. But if it comes to things that I don't want to do, like let's say take out the trash, I'll just wait, you know, a couple hours before I do it.
Yeah. Everybody's like that. But sometimes, you know, you don't take orders. Because when mommy say, hey, can you please? Or she don't even say please. She say, get the
Yeah.
garbage out. Yeah, women, we don't like to take orders.
You know what? Let's talk about some other things, right? Let's talk about, let's say, women. What do you think about women? Are they hard to understand?
Women, what do I think about women?
Yes.
You want to know?
I want to know.
What do I think about women?
Yes. What do you think?
They're sweet. They're beautiful.
Yes, of course.
They lack money.
I mean, no. That's the thing. That's the thing what men don't understand about women. It's not all about the money. It's about the perfect guy. But still, even if they have a perfect guy, like this, like let's say, like Will Smith, and her and his wife.
I know.
Yes, how
She
had an entanglement.
you hear about what she did to
Yeah,
him?
she had an entanglement
Yeah.
with someone else.
Yeah.
But like Will Smith's house is like an entire village, but she still chose someone else. Will Smith gave her everything she wanted, but she still turned him
No,
away.
no. Women have like the secret, man.
A lot of secrets.
Maybe we'll give her everything she wants, but sometimes he might
not
miss
enough.
something.
That's why they say love is
He
blind.
might miss something in the bedroom. All right?
Tell him again. But that's the thing. That's why they say love is blind. Because if you find the right one, and they know it's the right one, they'll stay with you forever. But you just have to treat them
You know
right.
what, Kenny? Stop talking, okay? You try to steal my show.
Okay, my bad. I'm sorry, sir.
Simon, you're intelligent. I love Kenny. Very smart boy.
And I love him.
Yeah, Kenny, before I let you go, the last word. What you think about politics?
Politics. I hate them. They're stupid. I have no, I mean, some of them, they have good goals, like Barack Obama, but they never achieve those goals. Or they at least come closer, but like they never get it done. That's why if I ever run for president, I'm gonna make sure they know everything about me. I won't only show them the good sides, I'm gonna show them the bad
You
sides.
think to win for president?
Not really, but I mean, if I got another choice, I guess I'll just rule.
I'm going to ask you something. If you want, you can. What you think about President Trump?
I mean, he ain't the smartest president there is.
Yeah.
That's for sure. At all. At all. But the thing about him is, I mean, my teacher told me that they get a lot of money now because of what he does. But the thing of, like he doesn't do things like
He's supposed to do?
like this. Like when he goes to all his rallies, he never wears a mask. But now he shows up wearing a mask after he told everybody that the corona is starting to die down and stuff. And I'm like that makes no sense. Like, why are you wearing a mask now after he just said that? And presidents, politics, like they just deceive you. They always deceive you into gaining the power. And as soon as they get the power, they do the exact opposite of what you want.
Thank you, Kenny.
Yes, you're welcome.
To have you.
You too.
And I'll see you peut-être next time.
Yes, sir.
Ou pensez nous font we have a good show, me and you.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
I love you.
You see, I show you that to speak Creole. You learn Creole now.
Well, tell me a sentence.
And Creole,
Yes.
comment you?
How you doing?
Voilà.
Hey.
That's it, man.
Hey.
That's it, man. You got it. Voilà. Et merci. Before my jokes, I have to say thanks to Yolna, pardon. Également Kenny. Jodi a faire une interview avec deux mondes, c'est la première fois à mon avis. On guest en Kenny. Bah j'aime bien guest comme ça. Monsieur ébloui. Monsieur fait ma pile surprise. Monsieur vini si m'pas ouvert les yeux, monsieur prend chaud nan même. Mais qui bien, ça montrer, il est très intelligent. Il faut féliciter parce que là, je des jeunes à ce niveau qui ont une équivalence, qui prêt à développer, à faire ressortir tout ça qu'on donne, c'est vraiment bien. Nous saluons encore une fois, nous bat bravo pour tant que Jean-Monsieur dit dans la télévision, on bat bravo pour la jeunesse. Nous bat bravo pour la jeunesse parce que nous, la jeunesse, a travail. Et c'est la première fois que nous venons haïtienne, américaine, dominicaine, qui parlait japonais, c'est Yolna. Et she speak japonaise, moi-même, j'étais obligé de parler un petit chinois avec elle, qui te fait le fond petit sourire. Et je viens de joindre Kenny, qui parlait 17 langues. He speak 17 languages. He speak Panyol, qui c'est langue internationale. Monsieur parle anglais, il parle créole, il parle français, il parle chinois, il parle jargon. Monsieur parle jargon. Mais si tout le monde blague jodi a, c'est un garçon, c'est un haïtien, monsieur te besoin coucher presque toute fille dans sous la terre, une dans chaque nation. Et puis, on monsieur allé en Chine. Monsieur allé en fête, une petite chinoise pendant la Chine. Et puis là, il dormait avec elle. Il fait 2 jours de dormir avec elle, après il tourne back dans le pays d'Haïti. Pendant la conduit machine, il sentit qu'on bagay cap gratter devant. Pendant que monsieur a conduit, après son en Chine, bagay tellement gratté, monsieur obligé de paquer machine là pour le garder ça le gain. Là, le garder, il fait oh! Monsieur allé au docteur. Il dit docteur, mes problèmes moi là maintenant, bah docteur regarde le docteur a dit oh, Jean li là. Faut t'a couper. Monsieur dit donc couper. Le docteur a dit Jean li là, monsieur allô un deuxième docteur haïtien. Docteur haïtien a regardé, monsieur dit Jean li là, c'est coupé. Monsieur par contre ça pour le faire, monsieur Kébé tête libre, monsieur madame ni. Vous connaissez le garçon, l'organ problème dans la rue, après toutes les amis fin connaît, c'est madame ou pral qu'on en dernier, monsieur madame ni. Je dis chérie, où ça crive ma ou des filles regarder, fait dit oh! Quand on prend bagage ça, ou t'as en Chine, ça en Chine on prend bagage ça. Monsieur dit oui chérie, c'est un compte chinoise. Fille a dit ah, ou prend, c'était vieux pompe, au cap prend toute femme sous la terre, pas joindre au bout. Monsieur dit chérie, pas dit ça non, ça pour me faire. Fille a dit ben ça pour faire, ou pas le docteur. Monsieur dit oui, moi 2 docteurs là, docteur dit fait t'a couper lui. Fille a dit ah, bon, on entravé. Fille a dit ben, aucune femme toujours passer. Fille a dit mais comme ça en Chine nous prennent. Aller en Chine, peut-être docteur chinois qui a comme ça peut faire bagage ça parce que c'est pas premier monde qui peut prendre. Et puis monsieur dit ah chérie, OK, monsieur fait réservation, je tourne en Chine. Là le docteur chinois, premier docteur a regardé, docteur chinois a regardé, toi dit hey, où t'es venu ici? Monsieur dit oui, m'es venu ici. Docteur chinois dit où prend ça ici? Monsieur dit oui, me prend ça ici. Il dit mais ou pas ouais docteur haïtien pour aider? Monsieur dit oui, moi 2 docteurs haïtiens, ils dit faut me t'a couper. Docteur chinois a dit non. Il pas besoin de couper. Oh, monsieur prend souffle. C'est ça il a besoin d'entendre. Monsieur prend souffle. Faut l'attendre docteur chinois a dit pas besoin de couper là. Après souffle là, monsieur regarde docteur chinois dit mais doc, ça n'a fait. Docteur chinois a dit non, Jean li là, pas besoin de couper. L'a tombé pour contre lui. Oh oui! Thank you, mesdames, messieurs. Mon numéro, c'est le 786 285 36 57. N'a dit bonsoir, docteur Nadège, Sonny Belle en forme, Claude Moncousseau, Yolna, Kenny, et j'en passe. Bonne besoin et bonne journée. See you.
Haïti TV et Radio Compa Production présentent Vin Deal.
Avec Aubry Blague.
Amour, union, bonté, réussite, y a valeur sacrée de notre communauté. Bienveillance, loyal, aimable, généreux, universel, extraordinaire.
Vin Deal.
Consamble d'eau.